Subscribe below or your Discord will get hacked. Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video, and today's video is actually going to be interesting and pretty different. Now, I know I have been making Discord tutorials for quite some time and it's actually boring because most of you guys already know how to use Discord, but hey, millions of people are joining Discord every day, and I support both those who are new to Discord and those who are pro. However, today's video is actually going to be interesting for both users, so let's get started. So there's this website here called discord-avatar-maker.app. I will link it in the description below, and it's really pretty fun and awesome, honestly. You should definitely check this out. So we can just head into it. Here, as I'm creating my own avatar, I am going to show you guys how to use this feature. But hey, don't just end the video right here thinking now you know how to create an image and you can use it as an avatar. This website can actually do a lot more than that, so stick together and we can go with it. So let's get started. Starting with the first one here, if we go at the top, there are two toggle buttons. The first one is the dark mode or the light mode, and then the second one here is a classic mode. Now if you enable this will give you all of the logos of the previous version of Discord. So this is Discord's old logo. And then if you disable this, it's going to show you the new version of Discord's logo. So this is the newest logo Discord is currently having. Now here at the bottom, there are three more buttons. The first one is random generator. So if you just want to randomly generate an avatar without creating your own, you can just click here and it's randomly create or generate an avatar for you. And then the second one here is a share button. Basically, if you click it, it's going to copy a link for this specific avatar, and you can save it somewhere or share it with your friends. The one after that here is the download button. There are a few things we need to talk about, so we will go through it as we create our avatar. So let's go down here, starting with the first one, the background. Now there are multiple colors we can choose from. If you don't like any of these, you can customize your own color here, and then you can also add your own image. You can upload your own image that you like if you want. Okay, luckily it came here to white, so I'm going to keep it white here. And then below here is body color. You can have a customized color here as well, or black or white. White can't work on mine, so I can choose maybe red, and that's it. Perfect. Then down here there is custom eye color, which is also pretty cool. Actually, you can customize your eye color. By default there is no color, so I'm going to change it to maybe, actually let's keep it black. Now moving back at the top here again, the next option is the body. Now body is basically, you can just change Discord's logo shape. If you don't know what to choose from, you can just randomly generate one here again. You can upload your own image instead, or maybe logo. Again, you can be super creative while making this avatar here. There are a bunch of more options here, so maybe I can go with this one. That seems nice. I should be creative with that. Let's see what we can make. And then here at the bottom, there is the eyes option. Same here, everything the same except those are eyes. So let's just choose this. There we go, we created our avatar. Now we need to download this as a JPG file or PNG file. Actually it's PNG, as we can see. So just before you click download, you may want to change some settings if you want. I normally keep it the highest size just in case, and then the background however you want, maybe a full square, a round, or maybe transparent. Once you choose one, just click outside the box here and then you click download, and then there you go, you have downloaded your avatar here. Now let's talk about something more. This website does not really just create an image for you. If you are actually a Nitro user, you can be even more creative because this website allows a feature with animation. You can have an animated avatar here. The same exact things except with a few options for animation. So there is an effects option here. You can have different effects on your avatar. I can go with this one right here. And then there is effect color. You can change the color of this, effect here if you want. And then below here there is effect effect position. Basically, you can keep your Discord logo first or the effect first, and the Discord logo will be behind. And then there's body animation. That's where you can even be more creative. You can have different type of, animations on your avatar here. Seems pretty cool actually so far. So the last one here is the animation speed. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed. Yeah, there we go. And once you're done, again here at the settings, there is a bit difference is that you can't really change anything for the background. However, you can change some size here if you want, and once you do so, just click outside the box and you download. Now once you click download, you actually need to wait because the animation that you did here, it's actually going to turn that animation into a GIF so you can then use it on your avatar. So let's just wait here, keep waiting, almost there. And it's 100. Now once it's 100, it's still going to take a few more seconds, so you may need to wait here. And the way how you can know that it's done is when you're going to see this thumbs up button. So once you see this, that means it's basically downloaded. And that's it basically. Now you know how to use this website. It's a pretty cool website, honestly. And again, you can be super creative with this if you want. I personally, for example, I use those characters sometimes for my thumbnail. So yeah, that would be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you really enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my video to see more upcoming videos related to Discord, and as well, just let me know in the comment down below if you like some videos like this other than just tutorials, on how to do some basic stuff. Just let me know below down in the comment, and that would kind of really help me out to understand what more types of videos I need to make. So yeah, that would be all for today. Thank you for watching and peace out.